Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we will see what our computer is actually doing or how it executes instructions to perform a specific task. But before going to the details, we need to understand what is a program. A program is nothing. It is a sequence of instructions stored in the main memory. To understand this in clear, we have to go to the instruction cycle details. Instruction cycle. A computer always follows a continuous cycle called the instruction cycle. Instruction cycle is defined as the time period required to execute each instruction. It is the time period required by the CPU to execute each instruction. It is also called fetch, decode, execute or simply fetch execute cycle. This is because our instruction is completed by three major steps: fetch, decode, and execute. Let's see the details of each stage. First one is fetch stage. As you already know, the instructions to be performed will be there in the main memory, that is RAM. We have to fetch the instruction from the main memory to the CPU registers. So, as the name indicates, fetching is the process of copying the instructions from the main memory to CPU one by one. Please refer my previous videos to understand more about the instruction code and computer registers. Now we have our instructions in the instruction register. Next stage is decode stage. In this stage, our control unit will decode the instructions into its opcode, which will determine which operation to be performed, and then the address part, which will give the information about the location of our operands. And the last stage is called the execute stage. Since our processor already understands which operation to be executed, it simply performs the operations using the operands fetched from the memory. Let's see one example. Here we have a program to add two numbers. Here the instructions are load 4, add 5, store 6, stop, and the operands 3 and 4, which are given in the addresses 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. We will start with the fetch cycle. According to the program counter, the value given is 0, which indicates the address of the next instruction to be executed. So, we have to find that particular address in our RAM. Here, the instruction code given at the location 0 is load 4. So, that instruction will be fetched to the instruction register. After fetching instruction 1, our PC value will be suddenly incremented to the next value. Next is the decoding stage. In this stage, our instruction 1 will be decoded into its corresponding operand and its addresses. Here our opcode is load and the address is 4. So address 4 will be placed in the address register, and from that address our data will be loaded to the accumulator. Here the next instruction to be executed is add 5. So it will be loaded to the instruction register and the address 5 will be loaded to the address register. From that address 5, the data, that is 4, will be loaded to the data register. Then the addition will be carried out with the content of accumulator and data register, that is 3 plus 4, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. Again the process will repeat. Next instruction will be fetched, decoded and executed and so on. Hope it's clear for everybody. Thank you.